is going on, guys? How's everyone doing today? I am back here with yet another video, and you can probably tell by the thumbnail and title, this is going to be probably the best video on my channel to date. And the reason for that is I have some genuine JDM parts for the WRX. Now it's sitting right in front of me, and you can probably tell by the thumbnail of this video how big this package actually is. It actually came on a semi truck and they dropped it off. They just dropped it off. I almost got into it, and then I realized I want to get my, genuine reaction. Though I know what it looks like already, I figured I have to record. I have to record with you guys. I just can't open it and save it for myself. But this might be a few parts, if you will. I'm actually kind of running a little late to something already. I've been waiting for this package all day because I needed a signature for, damage purposes, and since it's JDM and all that sort of, basically it's just a big package that I needed a signature for. So I had to wait around all day for this. I'll give you a little sneak peek. I'll give you a little sneak. See, right there it is. You see how big it is? Don't mind the NK RPF ones. Those are actually my brother's. He actually copped them about 2 weeks ago. Those aren't mine. Spoiler alert, they're not mine. But I'll give you guys a little. Here, let's give it a little peek. Little oop. That's all you get. That's all you get. That's all you get right now. But I actually forget what I was trying to say. But yeah, I was waiting for this all day, and I'm running a little late, so this might be a little bit of a 2-day project. So I'm sorry if I switch days up on you guys. I'm actually really excited. I don't know how this video is going to turn out, because honestly, I'm stumbling over my words just because I'm genuinely excited about this. This is probably my biggest purchase that has not been a car. I've spent a lot of money on this. I've saved up such a long time for this, and I can't believe it. So anyway, I'm gonna open this a little bit, get the parts out, so on and so forth. I don't know where I'm gonna set up, you guys. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm actually really excited because look at this. Look at the, oh, can't get the, you gotta get down a little bit. Can't see what's actually on the inside. So anyway, I'm gonna take apart. It looks like they just nail gunned this. As you can see right here, there's a couple nails. So I think they just nail gunned it instead of screwing it. So this should be fun. Anyway, I'm gonna set you guys up right here. I mean, you're really not gonna see anything if you guys, oh. So I don't know how well this angle is gonna be. Oh, by the way, flops and socks are back. I got a new pair of flops. You can see them, Under Armour, nice and good. So I don't know if I can just, yeet this off. Okay, maybe I should give me a second. So I grabbed the essentials. I got a big screwdriver and a hammer. So these are the essentials. Let's see if I can just whack it. Ow! Bashed my hand. One. 2. Now I should, theoretically, I don't know if you guys can see this or not, I should theoretically, there we go. There we go. All right. So, can you guys see that? Can you guys see what is in there? Maybe a little bit, I don't know. But I basically revealed everything. Now, it is saran wrapped, so you guys can't tell fully what it is. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this big piece out. You can, you know, you know what it is already. So let me get this big piece out. I don't want to reveal it right now in case you guys don't know what it is. So let me get that big piece out, and then I'll actually go into what I actually bought and why I actually bought it. So I don't know how this is gonna come out. I might have to step into this very, very carefully. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is not a good idea. Oh, the flop's coming off. Can I just pick it up? Oh goodness. All right, so when I said oh goodness, it's not heavy by any means. It's just really awkward. There we go. Bring this puppy out. All right. Wow, I don't know if it's just me, but that is a really light object. All right, I'm gonna put it down. All right, and then I got a whole bunch of other whatnots to get out. Let me gently put that down. All right, so as you can see here, I bought a hood, but that's not all I bought. I actually ended up buying a JDM front clip for the Bugeye. So if you don't know what a front clip is, it basically comes with hood, fenders, bumper, headlights, and shroud and radiator, I believe. I think that's all it comes with. It is really hot in here. I'm sorry if I look sweaty or greasy, but it is really hot in here. But anyway, if you're wondering why did I end up buying all that, and I'll probably show you guys somewhere in this video before I actually put everything on. The parts I have on my Subaru, or I should say the hood, fenders, and bumper, they're absolutely crap. The front bumper's cracking, the fitment on my passenger side, on where my headlight to bumper, it just doesn't match up because a clip cracked. There's just plenty of rock chips on the hood that just doesn't make it look as clean as I want it to. Now granted, the car does have like 241,000 miles on it, so obviously, but anyway, I figured I might as well pull the trigger on a front clip. So with that being said, it's just not a stock front clip. You guys will understand what I mean whenever I get to the front bumper, grille, and headlights. I'm gonna be a little mean to you guys, and you're not gonna see the headlights till next video, but we are gonna do the hood, fenders, and bumper, and grille as well. So you guys will be able to see all those JDM goodness. And I just can't believe I actually have all this. You know, this might be very small for someone, but like, this is honestly my biggest purchase I've ever had, other than just buying a car. And you know, I can't believe it's here. I can't believe it is honestly here. So let me move this hood real quick. We'll get to the fenders, and then I might have to take off the headlights and all that sort of stuff, and then we can actually look at what I bought. So I'm gonna put you guys down. I'm not gonna do any time lapse or anything like that. I'm just gonna cut to where I got the fenders, so on and so forth. So give me 1 second. Okay, 2 fenders out. Now we just have this beauty right here. They have the headlights covered up, which is kind of funny, but I am honestly genuinely excited to show you guys this. You have no idea. I don't even know what to say. Like, I'm sorry if I seem like a little flustered, or I can't really, you know, come up with the words to say and all that. It's just, I really never buy myself anything this big, and it's just, I don't know. It's been a while since we actually had a car part, or a genuine like big, you know, install, and you know, I really cannot believe it's here. So I'm gonna work on getting this out. Now it's gonna be a little bit difficult because I do have, you can see, maybe you can see it, the shroud and radiator in there. So let me see if I can unwrap it a little bit, and then I can show you guys the actual bumper. I wish you guys could see this. Should I give you a little teaser? I don't know if I should give you a little. Here, I'll give you a little. Here, can I give you a little bit? Oh, see, it's funny because you guys can't even see it because it's just pure black. But I almost have it out. I am hot. I'm really hot. It's so hot in here. But I almost have it out. I just figured I might as well tease you guys just a little bit, give you a little teaser. But I have to take this off. I think I have to take that off, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to lift it because it is the frame, or whatever you call it, front clip, if you will. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to actually lift this, but you know, it should be fun. Let me see what I can do. I'm sorry for, you know, saying I'm gonna take it out and then I bring you guys back. I'm just really excited about this. You guys don't even know. I am so excited. I'm excited for you guys to actually see this, because this is going to change the look of the Bugeye. Like genuinely change the look of the Bugeye. So I'm gonna work on getting this out. The next clip will actually be me taking this out. So yeah, I'm gonna get to working, and yeah, stay tuned. I got free floor mats with my order. It's not out yet. I'm sorry. I just had to say that. I am honestly really sweaty. That took forever. Okay. I almost have it out though. I almost have it out. I might just unwrap it and then show you guys, but I have to take the headlights out first because I can't give it all out in one video. I just can't. All right. Oh, tired, fat, sweaty. Oh my goodness. There we go. Oh, that's a really nice grill. All right, I have to show you guys. I don't have the bumper out just yet. That was probably really loud for you, but look at that. Going pink badge, boys. Pink badge. All right, I got a little bit, ooh, that was another little teaser. I might put something up there, but I got a little bit more left to pull out. That's what she said. Gotcha. All right, got a little bit more left, and then we can actually see what the bumper looks like. Oh gosh. Okay, I'm sweaty. It's been honestly like 30 minutes. Those plugs or clips, they wouldn't come out. So I apologize if I look dirty or disheveled or just very sweaty in general. But I ended up getting that headlight out that I can't show you guys, but I ended up getting it out, and here is what the new front bumper will look for the WRX. Boom. So I ended up getting a, I think, no, it wasn't version 7, but it was a, you know, 02, 03 STI JDM front clip. So obviously we got the STI front fog light covers, so on and so forth. That explains the front grille, and you could probably already tell or probably take a good guess on what the headlights might be as well, but I can't just show you guys that just yet. So anyways, like I said, this is going to be like probably a 2-day project. I'm already running a little bit late to what I got to get through. I'm sorry if I can't really talk right. It's just extremely hot in this garage, and that took way too long. So that's gonna end it for part 1. I'm not ending the video, but I will see you guys tomorrow for hopefully the installation. I might have to take apart some more things here and there, but hopefully tomorrow will be the installation. So anyway, let's just do a little jump cut, maybe a little jump cut here. One second. All right, and it's finally the day after. And I have to be honest with you guys, I got a little anxious. You can see here, that is my old bumper. My whole front end is basically off. I got the front bumper off, you know, just to get everything out of the way. It was just a bunch of clips. You guys probably know already how to take off a front bumper, so I went ahead and did that off camera, just simply because I just wanted to get it done. And honestly, it really wasn't that easy. I had a little hiccups along the way of things getting stuck, so on and so forth. So let's get right into this, and let's start installing that beauty, that big beauty right here. We also have to install the clips, or the grill, and those little whatever you might call it. So hopefully it goes well, hopefully it goes smoothly. I really don't know what to expect. One thing that I have to mention is I told you guys that I got fenders, hood, so on and so forth. You can see the fenders right there, and the hood is right there. The hood I cannot use. This, you can't really see it. You can't, I don't know if you guys can see that. They circled all these like dents, scratches, so on and so forth. So I will unfortunately not be able to use this hood in particular. It is honestly so hot in this garage. I don't know what's with Pennsylvania, but like we've been on such a heat wave. I'm getting sick of it. But anyway, I'm not going to have that bring down my mood. We got this beauty to put on. Fingers crossed. Let's hope everything goes well. I'm going to put you guys down just so I don't have to worry about holding you guys. I'm holding that bumper as well. So let me set you guys. No. Stay. Set you guys right there. Seems good. Gotta put that back. Hopefully it doesn't fall. Oh, good. Sorry about the mess. We're cleaning the garage this weekend. It's currently Friday. By the time I'm recording this, oh goodness, this is gonna be so awkward. Oh. Ah. Okay. Bring it over. Bring it. Oh. Hello. Excuse me. Coming through. Big bumper gang. Coming through. All right. Oh gosh. I'm out of breath. I'm fat. Oh geez. Okay, I got it over here. Wasn't easy by any means. Hopefully things go smoothly. I might have to unplug my headlights before I put it on, just so they're not in the way. So, I'm gonna finagle this on somehow, some way, and you know, I'll update you guys whenever I get it on, basically. I don't know how long it's gonna take. Okay, so the bumper is in. It really wasn't the easiest thing to get in because obviously things really didn't line up over here. It is a little bit bent, so I kind of had to force things to, you know, fit in there and then put the clip in just so it holds it in place until I can actually like mold it to the body, I guess, because, you know, obviously things don't line up perfectly when you import things, especially with these bumpers, because they're very flexible, and if they're, you know, sat out a certain way and then it just bends and then you can't really get it back to stock form, if you will. So I am really sweaty. I am really hot. That was honestly a challenge, to say the least. I probably won't show my face anymore because, you know, I'm just absolutely disgusting right now. I don't have the grill in at the moment, and we aren't gonna be going out to show you guys the full reveal just yet. I want to wait till I get the headlights in and, you know, everything is said and done till we do a full reveal, because I can't show it when it's half done. You have to get the whole experience. So you guys are gonna wait for next week's video, because next week's video will be the installation of those headlights that I keep telling you guys about. So stay tuned for next week. It'll be the end of the video. I hope you guys did enjoy this and are excited for what is to come with this vehicle. I'm absolutely blown away just by in here looking at it. It just looks absolutely phenomenal, and I hope you guys think so as well. I'm really excited to actually, you know, post this video because, you know, I've really been doing small mods to my car, and this is probably a big mod, if you will. People wouldn't consider this big, but I consider it pretty big because it came in that hunkin' box over there. So I hope you guys are excited for next week's video. Next week's video will be the big reveal of the whole front end conversion kit. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna end it there. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you leave it a like. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, and as always, guys, I'll see each and every one of you in my next upload.